What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott. I'm shooting this video to show you guys the results from our Signals channel. Also, the tools that we have inside of the perfect entry trading system on TradingView that is fully automated, that is automatically sending the signals to our Signals channel. Shout out to the Golden Key tool and the Session Key tool. On my screen, you should see on the very left-hand side the actual Signals channel itself. We're going to go over the results. I already started, but I'm going to start over just for the sake of this video. And you have your trading view tools on the far right-hand side. So we have the Golden Key tool, which is the gold box. And then you have the Session Key tool, which is your blue zone. So this actual signal itself, if it says 5 p.m. Eastern, that is basically our Session Key tool. And then if it says Golden Key, then of course we know that it came from the Golden Key. So we're going to go over these trades one by one. That way you can see the results of not only just the signals channel, that way you can copy and paste the signals, but you can also utilize the tools just to confirm your trades. Now, our signals channel, we average well over 5,000 pips a week, and we've been doing so consistently for 2 years now. So we're going to start. Today is the 20th. Notice we're on... It says March 19th. Once we get here, we're in March. It is the 20th. This is the first day. I'm sorry, the first trade of the 20th. I'm sorry, March 19th was Sunday, which was yesterday. So we're going to start from yesterday, which is Sunday, March 19th. The first trade is Euro AUD. So we're going to pull up Euro AUD. And we got a sale from the Session Key, which is this blue box. Notice it was a fake out, right? We're not saying this is 100%. It was a fake out. It was a wick. Now, if you had seen the signal and you pulled up the tool and you understand how to utilize this tool, this trade you wouldn't have taken. Now, if you just blindly utilizing the signals, it's okay. You can do that as well. But with this actual signal, just from the looks of the tool, I would not have taken this sell, being that this sell was on a candle that did not break out of the zone. Even the candle next to it didn't break out the zone, so this was a fake out. The actual trade was the buy. Notice the buy went up about 50 pips or so, right? But we're going to go based just strictly off of the signal. So we're going to go Euro AUD. This is a loss. It's okay. We're going to take a few losses here and there, but like I said, we average well over 5,000 pips weekly. So this is a negative 40 loss, negative 40 pips, which is a loss for the Session Key. SK, if you see SK, that's Session Key. If you see GK, that is the Golden Key. So the next trade is Euro JPY. Euro JPY, it was for a buy. Notice the buy was short-lived. Here's your entry. We put about 20 pips on here. It's not much. About 35 pips. We're going to do 30 plus pips. For Euro JPY, that was also the Session Key. The next trade is US 30. Now, I personally caught this trade yesterday. This was a beautiful trade on US 30. I actually traded it on NASDAQ, though, but we're going to pull up US 30. The sell on US 30. This was a beautiful sell. It was from the Golden Key. Now, notice the sell on the Session Key was here. It was a beautiful trade. This is the Session Key trade. The Session Key trade gave us 370 pips. But the signal came from the Golden Key. The Golden Key gave us an even better entry. Look at this entry on the Golden Key. I mean, you cannot get no better than this. This is why we call it the perfect entry trading system. Is it perfect all of the time? Of course not. Nothing in life is perfect 100%, right? But look at this sale. I mean, immediately in the profit. And when you're dealing with the indices, US 30, NASDAQ, or S&P, or the Russell 200, Russell 2000, stuff like that, you don't want to get caught in any type of drawdown, right? Especially on the lower size account. But notice this trade went directly in the profit. And it was 600 pips. That's the trade of the day, folks. That has to be the trade of the day. We'll see as the other trades play out. But US 30 gave us a beautiful trade of 600 pips. That's the trade of the week. I mean, you could be done for the week. On the US 30 trade, 600 pips, you could have been done for the week, even if it was on the lowest lot size possible. Notice the buy on US 30 is currently going into profit. We might run into a little bit of resistance here, but notice the buy is currently in profit. Next trade is GJ, GBP, JPY. It's from the Golden Key. GJ. A beautiful sell. Here's another beautiful sell. No drawdown whatsoever. It went straight into profit for 200 pips. That was a beautiful trade for GJ. GBP, 200 pips. It's a win for the Golden Key. Let's move this stuff over. Beautiful trade for GJ. What's next? What's next? Now notice, of course, like we said, we have both tools. So even if you catch it on the Golden Key, notice the session key gave the trade as well. It was a little late, but you still caught another 30, 40 pips off of the session key tool for the trade as well. What's next? The next trade. Now we're going to run till 12 p.m. Being at 12 p.m. midnight starts a new day. The market opens at 5, so we're just going to run these results on Sunday. We stop at 12 p.m. So we're not going to get a full day. It's not going to be as usually Sunday is our the least amount of trades, right? Because we start at 5 and then we end at 12 midnight. So right now we're at 10 p.m. This is the next trade, Russell 2000. We're going to pull this up. A lot of people don't trade Russell 2000, but it's okay. We got it on our hit list. This is our hit list here, our watch list. Russell 2000 gave us the Golden Key for a sale. The sale gave us, it was short-lived. That's the alert. Now, these are the alerts that automatically get sent to the signal. Here's an alert. Buy entry, take profit tool hit on CAD CHF. So if you have the tool on TradingView, you can automatically set these alerts yourself. And being at the beautiful app on your phone, you will also be able to see the tools on your phone utilizing TradingView, and you can get these alerts on your phone if you set it as well. It is very easy to set. But if you don't set it, you can just simply use the actual signals channel itself. So with this Russell trade, that is 253 pips. It looks like it might be 2,000, but just for safekeeping, Russell 2,000, 250 pips, which is a win for the Golden Key. Shout out to the Golden Key. Golden Key is undefeated so far. Next trade. And we also, in the Signals channel, it also lets you know when it hits your take profit or when it hits your stop loss, right? We want to be fully transparent in these results. So we're going to go just as they are sent. And then once they are sent, it isn't deleted. These tools do not repaint. If it tells you to buy, it does not disappear or anything like that. If it hits your stop loss, it'll let you know if it hits your stop loss. Notice here the sell didn't actually sell, it hit the stop loss. It'll let you know. And then it'll say Russ 2000 sell, hit the stop loss. So the Signals channel and the actual tool itself is very transparent. So these results are transparent as well. So the next trade is what? USD, JPY. And this is from the Golden Key as well. Let's pull up UJ. This trade for UJ was a sell. The sale came at 11 p.m. This is this sale right here. It was very short-lived, but as long as you can get 20 pips out of a trade, you won. There's 40. It's 40 pips for UJ. Shout out to the Golden Key, baby. Next trade is 11 p.m. Let's see if we can get another trade. Nope, that was it. So that's all we have for Sunday's results. It wasn't much. Like I said, Sunday is our shortest day, but we're going to tally them up anyway. Total trades wasn't much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. Total wins 5. Total losses 1. I believe that's about 80%. Is that 80%? Just to make sure, calculate. I think that's 80%. Just to make sure we don't want to mess up the numbers. Just make sure we pull up the calculator. 5 out of 6. I believe that's 80%. What math serves me correctly. It's 83%. 83.3. 83.3%. Win rate. 83%. Total pips. Total pips. So we had a negative 40 on our only loss, then we had 30. We almost got it back. So we're at 590, 790, 790, 8, 990, 1,040, 1,080 pips. That's my daughter in the background if you hear her screaming. My brother just got home, so she usually does that with them. 1,080 pips on a Sunday, and it was only 6 trades. So when we say we send out 5,000 pips a week, it is not an exaggeration. We just caught over 1,000 pips or sent out totally over 1,000 pips. Now, did you catch the full 1,000 pips? You probably didn't catch the full move, but in totality, it was over 1,000 pips sent in our signals channel, utilizing the perfect entry trading system tools on TradingView that is fully automated, that automatically sends the signals to the channel. Now, notice, remember that results or that alert that we got for CAD CHF? There it goes right there. Notice the alerts are automatically sent from the TradingView to our signal channel. So this thing is fully automated. That way you don't miss a beat when it comes to any of these trades. These are all of the alerts that we have. These are all of the alerts that we have. We have alerts set on, we got the entry optimizer trades. We have the golden key trades. And we have some session key signals as well. These all the signals. This is probably over 20 signals a day that you're going to get. Do you have to take all 20? You don't, right? If you had to take the US 30, you could have been done for the day. You wouldn't have to worry about any other signals. But this perfect entry trading system is very, very potent. It is very consistent, and it's very valuable if you utilize it to this best of its ability. So if you don't have access to the signals group, you can get access right now. And not only get access to the signals group, you're also going to get access to our top 3 tools, which is the golden key, the session key, and the entry optimizer. Let's pull up the entry optimizer real quick so you can see what it looks like. If you haven't seen it before, let's pull up the entry optimizer. The entry optimizer is another tool that can stand alone. It'll give you your take profit 1, 2, and 3. It'll give you your entry. It'll give you your stop loss, right? Notice this sale. Look at this. And this is UJ. Beautiful sale on UJ. It's already at 2 take profit 2. It never reached the stop loss. It never even went into drawdown, right? Other than here, it came back to retest the entry, but we're in profit. So you can utilize all 3 tools congruently to find a trend. You can utilize the perfect entry trading system, the optimizer. If you're simply drawing up your own charts with your own analysis and you just need extra confirmation, you can always pull up the entry optimizer to let you know if it's in the red, you're in seller's territory. If it's in the green, you're in buyer's territory, right? Let's pull up this buy. Let's see where it came from. It also has bullish. It has the order blocks mechanics tied into it for the smart money concept traders out there. Look at this buy. Beautiful buy. This is an hour chart. This is a beautiful trade. This is an hour chart entry. 600 pips. 600 pips on UJ. Let's make sure the entry optimizer is on UJ, because I don't know if it is. Let's make sure we got a Euro ED, Euro CAD. Is it on UJ? It's not. So this is how you set an alert for those that are interested in getting this system. You'll simply go to the entry optimizer. You go to the 3 lines, add alert, and press create. You don't have to change anything at all. Make sure everything is here. Everything is there. You just have to press create, and that is it. And that's as simple as it gets on how to set an alert. So the next time we go into a bias territory on USDJPY, it's going to give us the buy, and it's going to tell us the buy came from entry optimizer. Notice here we had a buy on GBP/NZD for the entry optimizer. So if you've seen this video, if you want access, follow the links. If you're on YouTube, we have the links to get connected to our Telegram channel where you can see some results. You can get connected. We have a special going on for the Signals channel. And with the Signals channel, you're also going to get access to our top 3 tools, which is the entry optimizer, the golden key tool, and the session key tool. Now notice here, we got this sell, right? Let's pull up the golden key tool real quick on top of it. So ultimately, we're in seller's territory from the optimizer. And then if you look at the golden key, all you have to do is look for the sales from the golden key. You got to sell here. You got to sell here. You got to sell here. Sales, you got lower lows, lower highs. You're picking the sales, and every time you get a sell, it's in seller's territory. Hint, hint. If it's in seller's territory on the optimizer and you get a sell, take the sell. You can take the buys as well, but that's counter trend action. You're going against the trend. The trend is your friend. What is the trend? It's in the red. That means you're in seller's territory. Take the sell. Take the sell. Take the sell. Take the sales. Hopefully you guys have an amazing week trading. If you see this video in time to get access for the discount to the Signals channel and our trading view tools, the perfect entry trading system, get in contact with me through Telegram or through Facebook, or just follow the links through YouTube to get in contact with us, and then we can get you plugged in. That way you can start your journey in the perfect entry trading system. I'll see you guys in the next video.